You may be open for business, but in a volatile world, you're also more at risk. Don't let the evidence get away. In a smash and grab scenario, there are multiple digital connections on scene.
It's impressive how retail companies use highly innovative technology to obtain data metrics on their customers. With these data metrics, they're able to identify which customers are most likely to purchase a given product, the time of day and location where they might purchase the product, down to even the traffic patterns as they move around within the store. And yet, when we think about retail crime, we're often missing the data, which is the digital fingerprints that may be left by people that enter or come near the store.
We are going to take this apart. We're going to see what kind of peripheral connections I might be able to make to it and see what kind of data we can get off of it.
And I could see right off the bat right here, this is eMMC. So this is exactly what I'm looking for on an IoT device when I'm looking for data.
VTO Labs is available to investigate these digital fingerprints with capabilities exceeding most law enforcement agencies. These artifacts could be relevant to your investigation. VTO has the experience supporting highly confidential investigations for major retail and insurance companies.
So what we have here is a Bluetooth module from a credit card skimming device. Credit card skimmers can be found on anywhere from ATMs, gas pumps, and virtually anywhere that a consumer might use their credit card to pay for a transaction.
VTO Labs gets the data from devices you never even considered.